Hey, hey, boys, we have some good news. We're going on a trip to Korea. Yay! We're going on a trip to Korea. Me too. I'm going to Korea. Yes, we are going to Korea. And if you want to go to Korea, you have to go to the airport and get the plane ticket. And we're gonna go travel to Korea. Oh yes, we are so excited. Yeah, I'm very excited. Well, I am going to Korea too. And me too. Alright, let's go to the airport. Welcome to International Station Airport. How may I help you? I would like 2 tickets to go to Korea. Okay, that will be $25 and $26. Here you go. Thank you. Your flight will be here another 3 minutes. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, we're going to Korea. Yep, that's right. We're going to Korea. You know what Korea we're going to? We're going to South Korea. Yay! Yes. Yep. Now, let's go on the plane. There we go. Okay, guys. The plane will be boarding another 10 minutes. So, please turn off your cell phones and turn off any devices on the plane. We are getting ready to take off. If you're watching this, subscribe and post to my notification, send out the requests. And thanks for my 21 subscribers.